Finite geometric series. Group,
Soronio.
Tiempo, and Roa. What is finite geometric series? Finite geometric series is when we sum a known number of terms in a geometric sequence. We get a finite geometric series.
Good morning, sir. I am given the task to report about on how to get the sum of the finite geometry series. In example number 3, in which we are going to find the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometry series if a sub 1 equals 1 and the given value of r which is equal to 2. To find the sum of a finite geometry series, we will use this formula. S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to the power of n over 1 minus r, where r is not equal to 1. So given this formula, we are going to substitute this given value a sub 1 equals 1, r equals 2, and find the 8 terms where n equals 8. So s sub 8 equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to the power of 8 over 1 minus r. And this is equal to 1 times 1 minus 2 raised to the power of 8 over 1 minus 2 equals 1 times 1 minus 256 over 1 minus 2, which is equal to 1 minus 256 over 1 minus 2 equals negative 255 over negative 1 equals positive 255. And this is sum of the 8 terms of the given finite geometry series.
Find S10, the 10th partial sum of the infinite geometric series 24 plus 12 plus 6 plus. First, find R. R equals to ace of 2 over ace of 1 equals 12 all over 24 equals 1 half. Now find the sum, where n equals to 10, ace of 1 equals to 24, r equals to 1 half. S of 10 equals to 24 times quantity of 1 minus 1 half raised to the power 10 all over 1 minus 1 half. S of 10 equals to 24 quantity of 1 minus 1 over 1024 all over 1 half equals 24 quantity of 1023 over 1024 all over 1 half equals 3069 over 128 all over 1 half. The S of 10 is equals to 3069 over, and this is the final answer. S of 10 equals to 3069 all over 64.
Evaluate 10 summation of 3 point quantity of negative 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. N is equal to 1. You are finding S10 for the series of 3 minus 6 plus 12 minus 24 plus whose common ratio is negative 2. S of n is equal to a of 1 quantity of 1 minus r raised to the power of n all over 1 minus r. S of 10 is equal to 3 of 1 minus 1 quantity of negative 2 raised to the power of 10 all over 1 minus quantity of negative 2 is equal to 3 and 1 3 quantity of 1 minus 1024 all over 3 is equal to 1 to negative 1023. So how did we get negative 1023 is where n is equal to 10, a1 is equal to 3, and r is equal to negative 2. And here's the solution. Equal 3 quantity of 1 minus 1024 all over 3 is equal to 3069 all over 3. Simplify to S10 is equal to 1023. That's your final answer.